If you're wondering why your Delonghi Eletta coffee machine's not going into energy saving, it could be because you've got this milk jug attached. While this is attached, this won't go into energy saving, and you'll be able to feel that there's heat in the machine because it's not in energy saving mode. Now watch this. If I unplug this one, because really this should be kept in the fridge with milk in it, but if you don't use the milk side, you might just leave that in there, but it won't go into energy saving. Yet if we put this one in, now we're just going to time 1 minute from now, I'll fast forward through, and you see that it will go into energy saving. And that way then, you're not going to be unnecessarily having the heater on when you don't need the heater to be on. So watch this now, in about 45 seconds, it will go into energy saving mode because we have this in, not this. And there we go, you can see now energy saving and the times come up. Well, that will not happen when you plug this in. And if you're wondering how does it even know, well, have a look at these bits here and you can see that forget about the bottom bit is the same because when we go to clean, that sticks out the same amount as that. But look at this top bit here, it only sticks out a tiny bit while this top bit sticks out a lot more. And that way then, there's a micro switch at the top and bottom on these machines. The top micro switch is activated on this one, but it's not on this one. So when the top micro switch is activated, it won't go into energy saving mode. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.